Taiwan's social media went abuzz with the claims that China's SU-35 fighter plane was shot down by the country's air defense system. However, Taiwan's air defense system denies it. Multiple videos circulating on social media has shown a jet engulfed in thick smoke. The video was from an unknown location. However, many users had flogged this, calling it false, while some said that a fighter craft crashed due to technical glitch. No official statements are said. An accidental clash could spark off the conflict. China has yet to acknowledge a crash took place, although it's not sure as why the jet crashed. Tensions between China